Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to edit drone footage in CapCut. Editing drone footage in CapCut can help you create smooth and professional videos. Here's a step-by-step guide to edit drone footage in CapCut. Firstly, open the CapCut app, tap on Start New Project, and choose the drone footage from your device. Then tap Add. Once the footage is imported, tap on the clip in the timeline. Then move the playback to the scene you want to cut. Use the split tool to cut specific sections, or drag the ends of the clip to trim or cut unnecessary parts to trim the footage. Now tap the animation, and on between two clips, choose from various transitions such as fades, zooms, etc. in the end section to make the flow between clips smoother. Now tap on the check button. Tap on the footage in the timeline and go to the Adjust tab. You can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, exposure, and sharpness to enhance the look of your drone footage. You can also apply filters in the filter section to give the footage a specific mood or tone. Now tap on the check button to unhighlight the clip. Tap the audio option at the bottom of the screen to add background music or sound effects. CapCut has a built-in library of sounds, or you can upload your own audio files. Tap on the clip and choose the speed option. You can either slow down or speed up your drone footage to create cinematic effects. Choose between normal speed or curve to create a speed ramp effect for more dynamic motion, but I would recommend the curve or your preferred choice. Now, unhighlight the clip again. Tap the text option, then tap on Add Text to add captions, titles, or labels. Customize the text with different fonts, colors, and animations to suit your video's theme. Then tap on the check button once you are done. Now, if the drone footage appears shaky, CapCut allows you to add stabilization. Go to Stabilize in the editing options and apply it to your footage by moving the slider to the right. Then once you are done, tap on the check button. Now, highlight your clip. CapCut offers a variety of visual effects. Under the Effects tab, go to Video Effects. You can add lens for a cinematic look, or glitch, etc. Now once you are done, tap on the check button. Once your editing is done, tap on the Export button on the top right corner and choose the export resolution such as 1080p or 4K, and your video will be saved to your device and ready for sharing. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.